Hey there mga my loves, Aris! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So ayun mga babes, no, our content is we're gonna take a look at your November 2023. But yeah, please just take how this resonates with you guys, okay? Lahat tayong gender dito and of course, cross-watchers, you're also welcome right here. LGBT, of course, you're also welcome right here mga mahal. Just take how this resonates with you. So let's see what's going on right here for November. Let's jump right in. Okay, let's see. Spirits and angel guides, can you please show me what do we have here for Aries for the month of November 2023? November for Aries 2023. Aries, November 2023. Can you please show me Aries? Okay, let's see Aries. What do we have here for you guys? Aries, we've got right here the love affair. Oh, dirty little secret down low. Let's see. Okay. Okay, masyadong maghuramentado, no? Let's find out kasi ka-clarify pa natin to, no? Please be advised as well that if this is you, this could be someone here connecting to your energy, and that is what we're gonna find out. But with the love affair, I'm seeing that this could be someone here, a little secret. So someone here could be doing something here, might be connecting with another energy right here. Let's find out who that is. Okay? Strong message for November right here. Someone's dirty little secret, I think, is marireveal rito with you guys. Okay, so let's see. We also have here the irreconcilable differences, divorce or final. Looks like someone here is breaking up, honey, for the month of November. It's giving me this vibe that, you know what, that ghost month or horror month for you guys, no? So let's see, but we're gonna clarify this, but we're getting some kind of, because you have here magkaiba na parang decision. Okay, I'm seeing you separating. Pero yung iba, I'm getting na hindi yan love relationship. Pwedeng kayo to na magdi-disconnect kayo rito, no, sa matagal nyo ng pinagtatrabahuhan kasi pwedeng hindi na napoprovide yung inyo ritong needs and pangangailangan, no, ng trabaho na yan. Pwede rin naman na kayo ay aalis sa isang sitwasyon. I'm also seeing someone here moving out, like lilipat ng tirahan, no, kasi pwedeng stressful na yung mga kapitbahay, no. Let's find out what is that. Ika-clarify pa naman natin yan, but I'm seeing someone here disengaging. Yan, kasi meron na ditong differences na parang hindi na magawa ng paraan. Especially if matagal naman ng ginagawa ng paraan pero mukhang walang nangyayaring progress. Okay. Positive progress. Ganun. Okay, so let's see more for you, Aries. You also have here the, wow. You know what? I love this. Kasi for others of you, actually for most of you, honey, okay, I'm seeing you disengaging here. Like, nagdi-disengage, disconnect kayo rito, no, to something that is no longer na para sa inyo. Kasi dito kayo mapupunta, oh, to something that is true. Something that is genuine, tunay, and there is some kind of love. You will feel connected with this person man ito. Let's gonna find out, clarify pa natin yan. Commitment man ito, trabaho, no? Basta matatagpuan mo rito yung sarili mo. Yeah, matatagpuan mo rito yung genuine happiness for you, Aries. Yeah. So, yung iba, kung ito man ay divorce or annulment right here, meron pa tayong nakikitang love for you guys. So, kaya dito mawawala ng pag-asa, especially if this is you, if, so happen that your person right here is involved in a love affair, but we're gonna find out more about that. Okay, definitely let that person go because you have here the right person, honey. That's what I'm picking up for you, Aries. Okay, let's get another information right at the bottom of the deck. We have here the interlude, pause, timing, factor. So yeah, I'm seeing you right here relaxing. Yeah, no, giving time here to yourself. Na iba nakikita ko rito na magsasalon kayo, either magpapa-haircut kayo, new hairstyle, no? Iba magpapabangs, yung iba magpapapalit rito ng nails or magpapalinis ng kanilang nails, manicure, pedicure, ganyan. Ano yung nakikita ko dito. Iba, manonood ng movies like what you're seeing right here. Pero like chill lang. Alam mo parang mas nahanap mo talaga yung sarili mo, no? Dahil dito sa detachment na ito, parang nakikita kitang nag-e-enjoy, nakikita kita ditong maaliwalas, no? Masarap sa pakiramdam. Yung nakikita ko sa iyo, followed by the gossip right here. Petty jealousy, envy. You've got people around you, no, na ay, bakit siya ganyan? After nung breakup or after ng pagka-detach niya dun sa trabaho kasi iba sitwasyon trabaho for you guys, no, hindi relationship, no. Ba't ganyan siya? Parang okay lang naman siya. Hindi, nagpapanggap lang yan si Aris. Hindi naman talaga okay yan. So, yan magiging topic of the month ka pa for the month of November, no? So, kung ikaw to nadedetach sa isang relationship, magiging topic ka pa ng mga people around. Yung mga maritas, you know, mga lornas right here. Sa mga new, yan no, Lornas po kasi tawag namin dito sa mga marites. So, yan mga babes, no, sa mga Lornas dito, hindi pa rin kayo ligtas. Pero I'm seeing you, wala kayong pakialam, like you're doing here your own thing, relax ka lang dyan. Maybe yung iba, maaring yung work ninyo is lagi kayong may dalang jacket, blazer, or hoodies, yan, no? Kasi pwedeng malamig doon, no, sa inyong office to the point na yung aircon ninyo kala nyo pang winter season. Or yung iba, maaaring mga malamig din sa lugar na pinagtatrabahuhan ninyo or baka meron dyan na yung climate or yung klima is, you know, maaaring nasa ibang country kayo, may snow dyan, may mas malamig, no, na temperature. Okay, so hindi yun applicable for all. So just take how this resonates with you. Let's start clarifying why is love affair right here. Someone here could be connecting with an energy right here. Yan, with a third party na tao. Let's find out who that person is, kung yan ba ay kayo or connecting energy sa inyo. But someone's secret right here is marireveal. So, isa yan, mga babes, no, na maaring may mga ghost dito, no, on the ghost month right here, dahil meron pala siyang ibang ka-connect. Let's see. Why is love affair here for Aries? Is it possible ba, miss, yan, na hindi para sa akin yan? Yes, mga babes, no, lalo na kung merong mga super strong na energies na nakakabit sa inyo. Could be your family member, could be your friends right here. Yan. Pwede kasing energies nila yung mahagip natin since general reading ito. But that's what we're gonna find out. Kanino ba yung love affair na yan? Okay, let's go. Love affair is being clarified by the Queen of Cups energy. Page of Swords. Lipat natin to, mga babes. Dito. Kunin natin to dahil nagpaiwan siya. So, mamaya, reveal na rin natin yan. And at the bottom of the deck, we've got the Knight of Coins energy. So, yeah. You know what I'm picking up right here? I'm sensing that, yeah. Yeah, I think this is for you guys. You have this kind of so much love. You showed this person right here. Meron kayo ritong kakonect na sobrang minahal ninyo, sobrang mahal ninyo. Pwede may connection pa kayo right now. Pero magkakaroon rito ng change in the wind. Like yung kanya ritong pakikitungo sa'yo is pwedeng manlamig or may changes na mapapansin mo. This will be obvious to you guys. That's what I'm sensing. And this is you, no, naghihintay ka rito na pwedeng aminin niya sa'yo ito, no? But with the Page of Swords energy, parang ginawa ka pa niyang manghuhula dito. And I think parang it keeps on going on and going on. Para sa iba, pwedeng matagal mo na rin napapansin yan, pero hindi naman siya umaamin ever. And I think magkakagulatan pa kayo ngayon this November 2023. Pero syempre, unahan ko na kayo, no? Let it go, honey. Because you've got right here genuine love waiting for you. Will with that kind of feeling that you will feel so connected. Yeah. So, definitely, kung sino man yung bibitiwan mo na niloloko ka rito at kumukunik sa ibang tao, no? I don't know, but I'm seeing some kind of a chat messages right here going on, flirtatious back and forth messages, and it is not you and your person's conversation, but it's a conversation right here, that flirt, that being playful is connecting with other, okay, third party person. So, I'm seeing na meron kayong age gap nito, but doesn't have to be ni age gap. Maturity, yes, no? Mas lamang yung pagiging mature mo kaysa sa kanya, Aris, no? Pero yung iba, pwedeng you're dealing talaga with someone who is really younger than you sa age. Okay. Pero sa nakikita ko rito, let it go. Look at that. You've got here, no, a knight in shining armor na nakapos lang. Yan, no. Tignan mo, hindi naman na-under yung horse dito, no. Pero kung sino siya, no, this person is stable, maayos ang kanyang pamumuhay, may stable rito, no, na trabaho. This person could be same as your age or close to your age. That's what I'm getting. Pero stable siya when it comes to finances, trabaho, or baka may business din siya. This is your knight in shining armor, no? At full suited siya, no? So, ibig sabihin, protected and well-guided ito ni universe papunta sa'yo rito. So, kung meron mang kumukonek dito, no, sa person mo na ito na naka-blind item pa ngayon, kasi papasok pa lang siya sa life ninyo, pinoprotektahan siya dito ni universe, no? So, this person right here is your 10 of coins. Wow, see? This person, meron ditong happiness, may stability, may commitment, may seriousness, lahat na all-in-one package na sa kanya. I don't know, pero maaaring ikagulat mo rin ang kanyang physical appearance, Aris, kasi this is the energy that gives me this kind of message, no, na parang ikaw ay kaiinggitan ng lahat. Oh! Reveal! Reveal! So, yun nga, no, I'm seeing this person, yung makakonect mo rito. That's what I'm sensing for you, Aris. Wow, honey, you've got someone right here, no, na really, really talaga, na very, 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 na nakikita ko rito na super magiging connected sa'yo in a heart space level. So, meron ka man ditong matatagpuan na katotohanan or malalaman dyan, no, na I think hindi naman naaaminin or baka bigla na lang lumayo or mawala, no, sa buhay mo yung person na yan na tinatangi mo rito, no? Just don't chase that person. Yung iba, hindi nyo lang talaga siya mapakawalan kahit matagal nyo nang alam or nararamdaman yung ganyan, na parang meron siyang nililihim at tinatago rito na dirty little secret, no? And it is appearing here as a love affair, no? Masyado nung pinagdiinan at pinatungkulan, love affair is right here, so maaaring connecting siya with other people. Alam mo, pero parang iniintay mo na sabihin niya or alam mo pero hindi ka nagsasalita right here. But I think this person pwedeng magwala siya, mag-ghost ka niya rito, no? And you will probably find out the truth, no? Na magsasama na sila kung sino man yung third party na yun, kumunik siya agad doon after the breakup, definitely. There's really third party right here. But, you know, let that person go kasi nakikita ko rito, no, na hindi talaga siya yung the one for you. Let's get this one and put it here. And then we're gonna clarify the next one. Why is divorce or final here? For others of you, boyfriend, girlfriend, or um, married kayo dyan, nakikita ko rito na meron ditong separation or hiwalayan. Kung hindi naman kayo married pero super committed ka nga sa kanya kasi lumalabas ka bilang Queen of Cups, this is you saying your final decision. You're cutting ties with this person. Break up it is. Yung iba, maaaring may pamilya kayo niyan or may anak, nakita ko rin yung dito for others of you. Pero I can see that this is you na mas pinipili mo na lang, no? Na i-focus yung attention mo if meron man kayong anak right here. Tell me about this divorce for Aries. What is this na final breakup? Alam mo kasi, when you say final breakup, like, pag nagpaalam ka sa kanya, oops, last na yun. Never na ako makikipag-usap sa'yo. Never ko na babawiin yung decision ko rito. Yan. So yeah, I think you're saying your last goodbye with this person right here. You're closing your door for this person. Okay, let's go. Divorce or final irreconcilable differences. Hindi na kasi kayo nagkakasundo kasi I think ikaw lang dito yung nag-effort makipag-ayos sa kanya and you're saying your final call. Maybe you're realizing right here na parang you do not need to chase that person, no, na binibigyan ka rito ng super less of what you deserve. Okay, let's see. It is being, see, ghosting it is. Block of communication. So, yung final say mo is block of communication. You will also block your heart chakra for this person. Aries. So, kung sino man siya, nakikita ko na sinasarado mo ng pintuan mo for him or her because he or she is no longer welcome here in your life. So, I'm seeing you blocking this person in your life. It might not be easy for you guys because I'm seeing na pwedeng may anak kayo for others of you. But if wala, okay, nakikita ko dito na mahihirapan ka pa rin na mag-move on sa kanya ng mabilis, it is because you did showed so much love for this person. And we also get the clarification of the sun. See, the universe has store here for you. May plano si universe right here for you guys. Not ang maganda dito. Wow. This ending brings new beginning and you will start it, mga mahal, no? The universe has in store right here a plan for you that will make you really, really feel happy and so much connected. So, yun nga yun, no? See, meron dito talagang ready na magbigay ng commitment, serious commitment with you. Yeah, and this is a lot of happiness right here. At makikita mo rito, no, yung truth right here, no, na kaya pala nag-end yung mga bagay-bagay kasi may magsisimulang panibago dito ang chapter ng life mo at magiging super happy ka. Yeah, alam mo, dyan sa connection na yan, oo, hindi kayo naghihiwalay, no? You just keep that person here, pero hindi ka fully satisfied, hindi ka fully happy kasi gusto mo rin maramdaman na mahalin ka rin kung paano mo siya minamahal at hindi niya yun ibibigay sa'yo. But someone here will come into your life at yun nga yung plano ni universe, no? Plano of this unconditional love. You know that unconditional love, you keep on hearing that, but you do not know how deep it is. It's very deep, honey. Kasi when you see the sun together with this unconditional love, ay nako, mas malupit to sa pakiramdam no ng fairy tale love story because you can have it all. You will have it all. You will feel so fulfilled. You will feel so contented. You will feel so satisfied right here. So meron mang mag-end sa'yo rito no sa November right here. Just let it go. Don't chase it para makarating ka na rito sa talagang dapat para sa'yo. There's love at hindi lang love, hindi lang yan crush or hindi lang yan like, kundi yan na talaga yung unconditional love for you guys. Eternal flame, it is everlasting love. You're gonna find infinity and beyond with this person right here. This is more than those rings. This is more than those vows. This is lifetime for you guys. So, wow, let's see at the bottom of the deck right here. We have here the Six of Wands. See, there's victory right here for you guys. See, look at that. Victory after that breakup. Victory after that closure. See, I'm seeing you being successful. People will recognize your worth. So, maaari magsimula rito magkaroon ng magagandang oportunidad para sa iyo sa trabaho. Pwede rin naman rito no, na mapansin ng mga person rito na blooming ka nga. Ayun, no? Di ba? So, nakikita kita dito mga babes na tagumpay is for you. Yeah. Okay? At mukhang matagal na itong napinding tagumpay na to that noon mo pa to nakuha eh. Okay? But it's alright. But I'm seeing you right here na marireceive mo ito this time. Wow, because you're making your final walk. Yan, no? Yun yun. Alam mo, nakikita ko rito yung parang sa pageant, no, with lots of confidence, no, while someone here is walking in that runway, in that stage, and you own that stage right here. See? There's definitely victory, success here for you guys. Let's get this one and put it here, and now let's clarify. Unconditional love for you. Tell me something about this unconditional, genuine love. Wow, for my Aries right here, November 2023. Oh, I can see this person right here the first time that he or she will see you. I'm seeing na hindi ka na mawawala sa kanyang isipan right here, and this person will eventually think about you every night. Wow. This is someone who's very romantic at parang meron ditong distance. So, maaaring nga nakatira siya, no, malayo rito sa'yo or baka sa ibang bansa. Let's see. Yeah, see? I saw the Two of Swords. At first, alam mo, kapag ka nagkaroon na ng amin na ng emotions and feelings sa inyo ng ka-unconditional love mo na yan, yung new person na yan, like you will not believe here yourself that this person is really wanting to commit to you. Yeah. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Oh, tinan nyo to. Woo! Marriage. This is that apat na matibay na pundasyon. See, look at that. So, if you have a child, no, doesn't have to be this person, will accept that na parang kanya right here. Mamahalin niya na parang kanya right here. See, told ya guys, Aries. Okay. Let's see. Tsaka maganda niyan, guys, no? Dito sa unconditional love na to, no, nakita ko rito na parang nabigyan mo rito ng time, no, mas minahal mo yung sarili mo. Tsaka dito, mas natagpuan mo yung sarili mo kasi this person will reveal something na hindi mo alam sa sarili mo. Yan, no? And this are being clarified by this Wheel of Fortune, honey. You've got this Wheel of Fortune right here. This is your luck. This is good fortune right here for you guys. Nagsimula nang umikot dito yung buhay mo na tumengga nga because of this person right here na in-involve ka pa sa third party situation. No? So kung sino man siya, let it go, let it go. That's the universe wanting to tell you and oras na rin para okay, tutukan mo. So ibig sabihin talagang merong new beginning sa'yo. Marami kang nakukuha ang Roman numeral number 10, honey. Ayan, no, Roman numeral number 10. Nakuha mo rin dito, dalawang Roman numeral number 10. Yan, ang dalawang X na yan, no? So, nakikita ko rito, no, na talagang ito talaga ay isa sa mga plano rito ni Universe sa'yo at ibibigay niya to sa'yo rito. No? So, let's see more. We also have here the Three of Wands. Yeah, this is what you're waiting for. This is what your heart is longing for. At ayan na nga yung ship na palapit ng palapit, no? Ang lapit na at pasakay ka na dyan. So, yeah, definitely you will really find yourself here, no? At hindi ko alam kung bakit parang nakuha ko rito ng travel, no? So, maaring ikaw ay magpupunta dun sa kung saan siya nakatira or kung saan siya nagtatrabaho or whatever, no? There's definitely travel really standing out right here. Pwedeng may vacation dito at ikaw ay pupunta dun basta nalalapit na. Oras na pagtatagpo yung Wheel of Fortune na yan. Destiny yan, Aries, no? For you guys. Wow, at the bottom of the deck, let's see, we have here the passionate new beginning. There's passion that will ignite between the both of you right here. Umpisa pa lamang na nakikita ko na kayo rito mga babes, no, na talaga naman na na nagsasama ng person na yan. Nakikita ko rito na yung soul ninyo is parang literal na parang merong familiarity sa isa't isa. See, look at that. It's very unconditional. This is passion igniting. See, we've got here the orangey, pinkish, reddish vibe. Yan. So, I think you'll recognize each other's soul right here. Kasi kayo talaga yung meant na magtagpo dito, Aries. Yung nakikita ko dito mga mahal, no? So, kung sino man tong kakonect ninyo ngayon na pinapahirapan yung loob ninyo, no? Hindi nag-a-update, no? Tapos, sinisin yung mga message ninyo. Tapos, pagka sinabi nyo na mahinahon rito, no? Na mag-reply naman siya, sinasabi nyo rito, busy nga ako, hindi ka ba nakakaintindi? Alam mo, nakukuha ko yung gano'n, no? Kung ako yan, ay nako, diba? Pero hindi eh. Kasi nga, you love that person so much. You tend to keep that person right here. But I'm seeing you letting go of that person. Nakikita kong nililet go mo siya. Okay, so let's see more. Dapat mo siyang i-let go, honey. Meron kang unconditional love dun. Yun yung deserve mo. So tell me more for Aries. Tell me more for Aries. Right here. Aries. Okay. Aries. Aries, you've got right here the trust. See, malamig talaga sa lugar niyan, no? First nakikita ko rito, parehas kayo dito mag-enjoy. Baka parehas ninyong gusto yung um, nagwa-watch ng mga stars, moon at night sky, no? So, stargazing right here. Baka mahilig siya sa astrology or parehas kayo rito. But definitely, yung talagang destiny naman talaga, universe ang nagtagpo sa inyong dalawa. See? I'm seeing that this is you trusting here the divine and this person is also trusting the divine na mapupunta at makapadpad kayo sa piling ng nararapat para sa inyo. And I think these are both of you right here. See? Nakatalikod pa talaga, no? Tapos dito parang mukhang silhouette, no? So paparating pa lang talaga siya mga mahal sa buhay ninyo, no? Pero i-reveal na to sa inyo. Taray! Sino ka dyan? Ganda guys, no? You got the trust right here. And you also got here the cold, of course. Yeah, wow. See, alam mo ang ganda. Kasi oh, magkahawak talaga kayo ng kamay nitong person na to. Tinan mo, magkahawak pa lang kayo dito oh. Ayun oh, magkasama kayo dito through dark times, through colorful sunny times, happiness. Yan oh. Sa lahat ng seasons, hindi niya bibitiwan yung kamay mo. Siya pa yung mag-lead dito ng daanan, no? At nakakita tayo dito ng ladder, no? At nakikita ko rito na mas lalo pa kayo, no? Na magtitibay ang inyong connection ng person na to. There's love. There's happiness here. There's colorful opportunities here waiting for you. And this person here, so wow, hindi ko alam kung nangyayari dito, pero bala kayo dyan. Ang ganda ng love story niyo. Yun ang nakikita ko rito. And let's see at the bottom of the deck. Wow! I'm seeing that there's balance in this type of commitment right here. No, alam mo, bubuo kayo rito ng connection. At kung sino man yung mga tao rito, no, na nasa paligid niya, mga friends niya, no, families, no, pwedeng may different culture dito kasi yung iba pwedeng dealing with someone na nakatira sa ibang country or doon lumaki but doesn't have to be, okay? Matatanggap ka ng pamilya niya and there's gonna be a blended family right here. So, wow! And the advice for you guys we've got here, ito kanina is that there's affirmation for growth. See, hiyang ka rito sa relationship na to. See, oh, yung chubbiness na yan, hindi ko sinabing chubby kayo. Pero this person will nurture you, aalagaan niya kayo to the point no, na magiging healthy ang lifestyle mo. No? In this person right here, nakikita ko talaga no, nabubuo kayo ng isang home right here and you're gonna invest more into this type of commitment and relationship together. Yeah, that's what I'm sensing right here. But get another one because we're being guided to do that and we'll see at the bottom of the deck for more. So we'll also have here the, yeah, see, speak your mind. So, meron talaga dito. Tignan mo, nakatalikod na naman siya, no? So, talagang i-reveal pa lang ito sa inyo, mga babes, no? Alam mo, wish to eh. Di ba dati ito, dandelion yun eh, no? Hihipan mo after mong mag-wish. So, whoever this individual is, I think this is someone here, mga babes, no, na wish fulfillment na dumadating sa buhay mo, no? Yeah. So, yung iba, no, dalawa yung nakikita ko masusungkit ninyo. Parang opportunity sa kaperahan, pwedeng trabaho or business. Nakakuha tayo ng ganun. Plus, love life pa. So, at the bottom of the deck, we have here the prosperity and abundance. Magiging masagana at magaan ang life mo sa'yo. Plus, minamahal mo pa rito yung sarili mo. Ayan o, parang dito mo marirealize, buti na lang pinakawalan ko yun. Yan o, dito ko kasi ito ilalagay eh. Buti na lang pinakawalan ko yung person na yun kasi ito pala yung nagbuhay na naghihintay for me. See, you have here the garden, you're eating your own cake. Tinan mo, no, meron ka pa rito mga opportunities, blooming, yung mga opportunities around you, money is growing, you're building here the life that you want, Aries. Wow, I'm getting that invincible vibe from you. So, wow, Aries! Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko nilagay dyan lahat, no? May space pa pala dito. Pero whatever the case may be, thank you so much, honey. So keep going. This is your November reading. So thank you so much. Sana love and life